Hey guys, welcome back to Siani's Hair World. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Today, I got Boho Braids. If you want to see the process of getting them done, stay tuned. Hey girlfriends, today I'm going to be part of the TikTok trend. It is called the Boho Braids. A lot of people do it with weave, but today we are going to be doing it with my natural hair.
Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair.
Then she uses the part comb to part my hair. Then she uses the shine and gem to make them look nice and pretty.
Like the sun, let's celebrate our nappy buns. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey. Deine innere Schönheit, schau wie du strahlst. Wenn du's brauchst, sag ich's nochmals. Self-love ist der Weg zum Glück. Schau nach vorn und niemals zurück. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey. To all my brown skin girls, let me hype ya. Black is beautiful.
Then she parts it into 3 squares for my braids. Then she brushes it to get the kinks out.
Black is beautiful. Daily reminder.
Now she's ready to start my first braid.
Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey. Yeah. Oh, ey, yeah. Du bist so schön, genau wie du bist. Schau in den Spiegel, wenn du's mal vergisst. Love yourself is the way to exist. Denn ein Lächeln hat dich vermisst. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey. You're a natural goddess, man sieht dich an. Du ziehst sie alle in deinen Bann. Skin color sweet like the sun. Let's celebrate our nappy buns. Rocking
Alright, my first row is done. Each braid has 3 pieces hanging from it.
Deine innere Schönheit, schau wie du strahlst. Wenn du's brauchst, sag ich's nochmals. Self-love ist der Weg zum Glück. Schau nach vorn und niemals zurück. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey.
Now, here it is in slow motion. She braids, she braids. Then she passes me the piece of hair for the curly pieces. Each braid has 3 pieces. On all of the curly pieces, make sure you add some gel or mousse.
Let me hype ya. Black is beautiful. Daily reminder. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Hey, you're a natural goddess, man sieht dich an.
We're almost there. You just want to keep continuing this process until you're all the way there.
Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey. Deine innere Schönheit, schau wie du strahlst. Wenn du's brauchst, sag ich's nochmals auf. Lauf ist der Weg zum Glück. Schau nach vorn und niemals zurück. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ay. To all my brown skin girls, let me hype ya. Black is beautiful, daily reminder. To all my brown skin girls, let me hype ya. Black is beautiful, daily reminder. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ay. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ay. Yeah. Oh, ey, yeah. Du bist so schön, genau wie du bist. Schau in den Spiegel, wenn du's mal vergisst. Love yourself is the way to exist. Denn ein Lächeln hat dich vermisst. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey. You're a natural goddess, man sieht dich an. Du ziehst sie alle in deinen Bann. Skin color sweet like the sun. Let's celebrate our happy buns. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey. Deine innere Schönheit, schau wie du strahlst. Wenn du's brauchst, sag ich's nochmals auf. Lauf ist der Weg zum Glück. Schau nach vorn und niemals zurück. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey. To all my brown skin girls, let me hype ya.
Alright, girlfriends, we're almost there. But for now, we gotta shake, shake, shake until we take a break.
Let me hype ya. Black is beautiful, daily reminder. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ay. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ay. Yeah. Oh, ey, yeah. Du bist so schön, genau wie du bist. Schau in den Spiegel, wenn du's mal vergisst. Love yourself is the way to exist. Denn ein Lächeln hat dich vermisst. Rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair, rocking my natural hair. Ey. You're a natural goddess, man sieht dich an. Du ziehst sie alle in deinen Bann. Skin color sweet like the sun. Let's celebrate our nappy buns. Rockin' my natural hair. Rockin' my natural hair. Rockin' my natural hair. Ey. Deine innere Schönheit, schau wie du strahlst. Wenn du's brauchst, sag ich's nochmals auf. Lauf ist der Weg zum Glück. Schau nach vorn und niemals zurück. Rockin' my natural hair. Rockin' my natural hair. Rockin' my natural hair. Ey. Rockin' my natural hair. Rockin' my natural hair. Rockin' my natural hair. Ey. To all my brown skin girls, let me hype ya. Black is beautiful. Daily reminder to all my
But now,
girls. Let me
the last but not least, we're on the last.
Rockin' my natural hair. Rockin' my natural hair. Rockin' my natural hair. Ay. Rockin' my natural hair. Rockin' my natural hair. Rockin' my natural.
And we're finally done. We're finally done. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye, girlfriends.